Hello guys, this is boy Muhammad. I'm back with an interesting video. Today I'll walk you through how to download PHP or install PHP in your Windows machine. This step is very easy. You go to any browser. I prefer that use Google Chrome and type PHP and go to official website php.net, and you have download in right in the left right corner. Click on it and you see Windows downloads. Let's click on it. You see, let's back. Sorry, we use that PHP 8.1.6. Click on it. You see, we have download it. Download the file. And wait for a second. You see, we have successfully downloaded that. After that, you click on it and show in the folder. Now you go to download section. You see, we have PHP. Right click on it and extract here. You see we have folder PHP, and wait for a second until the install or unzip finish. This may take time. That depends on your speed in machine, sorry. See, we have successfully installed, and you need to right click, cut that, and go to this PC and go to C partition and right click, paste that here. You see, this may take time. Just move the old folder to C partition. I don't know what's going on. It's take a lot of mining. I don't know what size is it. Look like 257, or let's cancel that. And after that, you'll successfully download the PHP in your Windows machine. And this video for today hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.